how to put your Android phone to driving mode. Now in order to do that, simply open your settings and go over modes and routines. After going in there, you will get this option of driving from here. If you don't find this option, you can tap to add mode and create a mode for driving. Now let's simply open driving, and after tapping in there, it will open this new page. Just simply tap to start button. Now you can choose these option if you want to connect your device to Bluetooth device with your vehicle. Just simply choose that option if you have, otherwise you can leave it. And after that you can turn on do not disturb mode if you want, otherwise you can also leave this page. And after this you need to choose what to do in driving mode. If you want any specific function while doing the driving mode, you can choose that from here. And after that, tap to done button and you can turn on the driving mode. This is how you turn on the driving mode in your device, but all the other options you have to choose that according to your preference. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.